Hello and welcome to PA Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the true shape of the section of the truncated hexagonal prism. So this is it. We are going to be showing you how to go ahead to draw this in this video. So before we get started, if you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button. Alright, kindly take your time to do that. Alright, thank you very much if you've just subscribed to PA Academy, and if you are yet to, please click on the subscribe button. It means a lot to this channel, to help this channel grow. Alright, now let's get into this video. So in order to save time, I've gone ahead to draw the hexagon. So I'm using this hexagon of side of 3 centimeter, so that's 30 millimeter. So the next thing I want to do is, and before we move forward, so if you don't really know how to go ahead about media constructing a hexagon, so kindly check the description of this video. There's a link to a video that will guide you in how to construct or draw a hexagon. So now from the hexagon, you project all the horizontal lines like we have here. I have it projected. You come to this point also, so you project this line, and then at the top, let me do that of the top. So I project it to the left. So here I will have this, let's call this point 0, 0.1, and then 0.1. So we'll know why we are giving it that name, or why we are labeling it like that. So another thing is to draw these vertical lines. So from this point on the hexagon, this point, so draw a vertical line. So from this point also, so make sure these lines are parallel to each other. So I made it faint because it's not really part of this, just their construction lines. So you leave some space from between this top and another line that I want to draw. So you draw this based on the length that you are working with. So let's call this point A and then point B. So the next thing is, so from each of these points, so I always like to use angle of 90. So let me call this A1, and let me just call this A2. So I'll be using faint line. So the next thing we are going to do is, let's just give some little space here or gap. Now what we are having here, the distance from this point 1 to from this point to this point, so which is giving me 5.15. So the hexagon is, the side is 3 centimeters. So if you are using something different, you should be getting different distance from this point to this point. So here I'm having 5.15, and then this point I'm having, this is 2.55. So I'll bring this distance, I'll put it on this line. Okay. So this next drawing, I'm going to be making it bold. So this is 0, 1, 1. So now this section that we are having here, let me just shade it. So that's the true shape. So that is how you go ahead to draw the true shape of the section of a truncated hexagonal prism. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the like button to like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and the little bell icon. If you have any question, any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.